Hello guys, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, I really do welcome you and I appreciate you coming here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to change the default folder on your Chrome whenever you download something. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's go into this. You have to go into your Chrome, and once you're in your Chrome, you go over to this part with this three dot. You click on it, you go to your settings, and make sure this Chrome is running on your full screen, or else you won't see this section. Then once you see this, you're going to go over to your downloads, and when you click download, you can change this. This is how to change it, and you select any folder of your choice that you like. Then I'm just going to put it here on downloads, and I'm going to click on select folder. So automatically now it's on download. And if you want this option whereby whenever you want to download something, Chrome is going to ask you which file or which folder exactly do you want to save this file. You can just make sure that this option here is turned on. So that's pretty everything. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you can just give the video a like. I really do appreciate that. And you can subscribe to the channel so that you can receive updates whenever I post a video here. All right guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.